Heat pumps and repairs. Getting professional help. Heat pumps provide the climate you desire in your home. Like any other system, though, there are numerous problems that can occur to these devices. When a problem does happen, it is critical for you to take steps to repair it and to do it as soon as possible. In most cases, these systems can last for years, even providing service for you for decades. However, in order for this to happen, you need to maintain the system and you need to ensure that the system gets any repairs it needs as soon as possible. Preventative maintenance. Like most heating and cooling systems, heat pumps require regular attention to ensure they are working properly. Though you can take out the owner's manual and find information about how to do this on your own, it may be a better decision to turn to an expert to have them do the work. Do so at least one time per year, in the spring or fall. Ensure all working components are in good condition. Any vents and filters need to be removed, cleaned and replaced, or you may need to buy a disposable product instead. It is also a good idea to check thermostats to ensure they are working properly as well. Getting repairs. Even if you do maintain your system properly, chances are good that from time to time you will need additional help. You may need to turn to a professional to handle repairs unless you are familiar with the function and design of these systems on your own. The technician should provide the following for you. Examine the problem and determine what the cause is. It can take a few minutes to fully understand what is happening with the system. This will also require looking at all components of it. Offer a solution and then provide guidance on the options. It may be possible to make a few repairs and to be well on your way to getting the improvements. It may be necessary to replace the entire system. The installation of new parts or changes to the actual system is the next step. It can take some time to get the system back up and running. Heat pumps can be a great way to manage the climate in your home, but it does take some maintenance and care to keep it running and to keep it efficient. If you are having any problems with your system, or you have not had preventative maintenance done in a while, it may be time to call a professional to come out and make the changes needed. Doing this will lengthen its lifespan. For homes in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, heat pumps are a very common way of keeping a space warm. When the time comes for maintenance, be sure to call the team at http://www.onehowerairlancaster.com. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/alfred_artist/6633300